Hello all. Welcome to Uncle Rico's Kitchen. With summer right around the corner, I thought I would share my lemonade recipe. Very easy and very quick, so you're not spending all day squeezing lemons to get that perfect fresh squeezed lemonade taste. I usually buy a bag of sun-kissed lemons. There's anywhere from 12 to 20 in there, depending on it. All you need is 4 lemons at a time. I bought this bag probably 3 months ago, and or 2 months ago, and anyway, kept it in the refrigerator, and you can see how nice these lemons are. And then here's a little secret, Crystal Light. There's 6 little packets in here, and each packet makes 2 quarts, which is a half a gallon. So there's you can have 12 quarts here, so basically 3 gallons of fun with a bunch of lemons. So we're gonna walk over here now, and to save time, I've already squeezed 3 of the lemons in there, and you can see how much it is. But first of all, we want to wash our hands. I've already washed them once, but so I won't do the full 20 seconds. But just for all you kiddies, grandmothers, grandfathers, parents, this is a complete cooking show for lemonade. If Junior or little Sissy wants to start her own little business this summer with a lemonade stand, it would be great. The only thing is, have mom and dad or grandma and grandpa help you, because we're going to be using a knife and then also a hand juicer. And then here's a little packet of lemonade we're going to add in there that'll help sweeten it, so that we don't have to add 12 lemons or so in there. And it's Crystal Light, so just a few calories. I think it's 5 calories per glass of lemonade. And then how we do is we chop off the ends first here on the lemons. And then we're going to divide it into 4. We're going to cut it into 4 ways here. And the reason we're doing that is so that we can fit it in the hand juicer. What we do is just put it in here like this. And if you see, it's got holes on it. And you can do it actually with limes too. Make sure you stick it in all the way, because you're going to have juice squirting. You'll see it just, you get a lot of juice out of there. And if you have a clean sink, you can actually keep the pitcher in the sink. We'll throw that over here. And let's see, do a second one. Yum. Doesn't that look good? And what I do is I throw the peels over in the sink side of the disposal, because after you're done, turn your disposal on, and it'll clean out your disposal and give it a nice, fresh, lemony smell. 2, if you like tart lemons, you can just have a little bit of lemon there while you're working. We're almost done here. Yeah, these lemons are incredible. Like I said, they'll last for quite a while. So today's May 30th, Saturday. So in 2 days, it's going to be the 1st of June. And I know you kids have been out of school for a while because of this lousy virus, COVID-19. So I'm sure you're ready to get out there and make some cash, see some friends. Once your governor or city officials have okayed you to go out there. Let's see. Now we're going to tear this open, and you just put the contents in there. And I'll tell you what, between this and real lemons, you'll have the perfect lemonade. I've never tasted better lemonade in my life. And I love lemonade out there. And then what we do is add water. And you can either put in the refrigerator or save a little room and put ice in if you want to drink it right away. But I'm going to leave a little room there. And then what we want to do is get over here and get a stir. Just stir real gently. And man, doesn't that look like perfect lemonade? So I'm going to have a quick little glass just to see if it tastes exactly like I remember when I did it about a week ago. Oh wow. One thing better is if it was cold. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and start the garbage disposal. Let that run a little bit. Easy clean up. And kids, if you're doing this, garbage disposal is very dangerous as well. So if you've never worked it, make sure your parents are supervising. And then this is going to be the last portion of the kids version, and then the kids will leave, and I'm gonna talk about adult beverages on it. But anyway, kiddies, if you're using a blender or anything, if you're blending Kool-Aid or whatever, grapefruit juice, plug it in and then unplug it when you're done. Same thing with toast or anything like that. Don't leave your appliances plugged in because you can start a fire and there's no need to have them plugged in. So, okay, kids, go out there and make your lemonade. You're done. All right, now for the adult version here. If you want, you can use this lemonade as a very good mix instead of the very fat and calorie infested margarita mix. So you won't gain weight when you drink this, and it's incredible. It makes an incredible margarita. That lemon juice, or you can do the same thing with lime juice. So basically, throw in your a couple of shots of your tequila in the blender with the ice. Dump in your lemonade according to your taste, and you've got a great adult summer beverage. Everyone stay safe out there. Peace, love, and tequila from Uncle Rico.